Tutorials on the Terrace. Welcome. This is our very first episode of Tutorials on the Terrace for our Brit Lit class. Now, as previously mentioned, we're actually going to get started today just easing our way back into writing. And we all know what that means. It's going to be our favorite activity ever. A reflective write-up. All right. So let's take a look here at our distance learning week 1 plan. So if you're wondering about past reflective write-ups, I know we've done a bunch this year. Well, because of the shelter in place, I can't collect your past reflective write-ups, and I'm not going to make you type them all up. So therefore, this one reflective write-up we'll do today will be the only one that I will collect. You will want to submit it to turnitin.com by Friday at 3:30 p.m. If for whatever reason turnitin.com is not working for you, email me and let me know. And it will be worth 35 points. So yeah, it's a big deal. It's a big reflection here. So let's take a look at the reflective write-up. What is our little prompt here? Well, we're going to talk about seclusion. That's right. It's something we are all experiencing right now, right? We're all removed from our normal routine, our friends, our teachers, our classes. And connecting this to our Brit Lit course, you might remember that Hamlet also experienced extreme seclusion. He was stuck at home in his castle, right? Even though he wanted to go back to school in Wittenberg, get the heck away from his family. But that was not possible for him. So what I want you guys to write about is I want you to reflect on how you have been dealing with or coping with your own seclusion during the past month. All right. Now, I want there to be a minimum word count of at least 300 words. That's just about 1 page, double spaced. And here are some the guiding questions here to keep in mind. What has your life been like ever since this shelter in place, this seclusion has kind of begun? What do you miss or long for? Are there some activities that's almost frustrating that you can't do? People that you really yearn for, that connection? What has helped you get through these troubling times? Maybe there's been something that you have rediscovered. Maybe there's a new activity. So reflect on that. What have you learned about yourself during this time? I think we all learn more about how we're able to cope, or what our shortcomings are, or what we're able to really do during times of trial. So I'm curious about this. And the most important question, of course, is compare your reaction to the seclusion to Hamlet's. Right? Have you seen any ghosts? Right? If you have, that's crazy. Have you been contemplating the nature of existence? Maybe you've been roaming around the house, just giving soliloquies. Have you been fighting with your family? Yeah, it's never fun. Have you put on a play? Yeah, remember, maybe you even talked throughout that whole play, but you put on a whole play production for your family. Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is the reflective write-up you want to do. Again, minimum of 300 words. I recommend just doing it when you get the chance to, maybe right now. You can type it up and then send it on over to me via turnitin.com. So in terms of what's coming up, I want you to start thinking about which of the poets we studied last month sounded interesting to you. Because by next week, Wednesday, April 22nd, you'll want to have selected one of them to focus on for your little mini research paper. And don't worry, I'll talk a lot more about that next week. I'll even review all the different poets we looked at next week, Tuesday, during our little class meeting like this. So that is coming up. Also, there is an optional Q&A session today via WebEx at 2:30 p.m. Again, that is optional, but if you have questions for me, I will be available via the live internet, the live stream, as the cool kids say, and I'll post the meeting code to the Google Classroom, and that's how you can find out how to get on. So yeah, I hope you all have a fun time writing and responding to this reflective write-up, and I will talk to you all later.